Welcome to Sohaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Some of you have asked me to show you how to make crackers. So today I'm going to share with you that recipe. It's very simple, delicious, and it's very healthy. So if you're interested, please stick around and I'll be back in a minute. So I have 3 cups of almond flour here, and if you want to, you can sift this, but I haven't done it. And then we have 2 eggs here. I'm going to beat them and then add them to our flour. And first I'm going to give this a good mix, and then I'm going to add the egg, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have done this with avocado oil as well, so you can substitute it with avocado oil if you want to. And then we have like a 1/4 cup of water here, and the water has to be warm. So I'm going to see how much of water we need for this. So I'm going to mix, and sometimes I don't need water at all. Sometimes I need a splash of water. So it depends. Just eyeball it and make sure when you get the soft consistency, then you're good to go. So you just mix it well together. And for this one, I need a little bit. I need a splash of water, so just mix them together. And this is how our dough should look like, okay? So you're gonna put it back here. I'm gonna get my baking tray, and I'm gonna get my parchment paper, and I'll be back in 1 minute. So for this, I have 2 pieces of parchment paper, and I'm gonna put my dough in here, and I'm gonna flatten out this dough with my hands. And then put this parchment paper on top, and then here we're gonna flatten this out. This is the easy way to do this, because you don't want your dough to stick to your rolling pin, and this is very easy to do it this way. So let's take a look at this. So we can flatten this out and try to give it like a sort of square shape. But if you can't, any shape is fine. But let's see if we can make this into a square shape. Your hand to press the edges. Use this part of your hand to press the edges. So this is how we want our dough. We don't want it too thick, because if you make it too thick, it's gonna be like, it will become bread. And you don't want to make it too thin because it will burn. So this is how you want it. And then I misplaced my dough docker, so I just invented my own dough docker. So we're going to transfer this over to our tray here. And then I forgot to mention this on our list of ingredients. This is everything bagel seasoning. So you can get it from any local groceries. I got this from Trader Joe's. So just sprinkle it on this. And just press it lightly so the seasoning sticks to the dough. And then run your forks and our last part is that we cut this, because these are crackers obviously, so we cut them however shape that you like, or the size doesn't matter, it's all your preference. So cut, and then cut and cut. Yeah, maybe different. And I have preheated the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. And I'll see you in a minute. Welcome back, and here's our crackers. They look very good and very delicious. You can serve it with a lot of things. You have a lot of choices of. Here I have white cheddar cheese, tomato, homemade pickled beets, avocado, roasted bell pepper, and you can have it with coconut spread. It's very healthy, it's very good. And I have homemade hummus. So let me try one and see how it is. So I'll just I like mine with a little bit of hummus, and I'm gonna have a little bit of tomato, a little bit of avocado. It looks really good. So let's try it and see how it is. It's really good and crunchy, and I can taste the rosemary and nutritional yeast, and all the flavors are making it very delicious, and I like it a lot. So if you like to make this, please do so. It's very simple, as you saw it, and it's very easy. So I hope you like this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below to give thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.